Let the delirium commence. Hey you guys, I'm Tasha. Winter is coming. We're gonna get into customization 1. I've got on my fancy winter PJs. Yes, girl, it is a winter sleepover. Grab your glass of wine, grab your eggnog, and let's dive into it. But before we do, I do have a code for you, so make sure you stick around to the end of the video for that. First up, we are keeping things cozy with the Socialite hooded Sherpa throw. When I first saw this, I fell in love because look at this thing. I told you winter was coming. Is this not giving all of your Game of Thrones dreams right now? It's so comfortable. You can just picture yourself sitting in front of the TV, reading your favorite book, going to work on your Zoom meetings. You know what? Just tilt that little video up this way. They just think that you're wearing a nice little hoodie. No, it's a full poncho blanket. It's so warm and cozy. It is giving a little bit like flying squirrel. This is gonna be your new best friend, and it's like this nice, pretty beige color, so it still goes with everything in your house. And I would wear this out. You know what? Like, no shame in my game. I am going to the store. You're gonna see me walking around. Mrs. Claus, is that you? Yes, it is. It's giving Father Christmas, and I'm obsessed. And it's like, it's cute. And I can guarantee you, you are going to fall in love with this, and your significant other, whoever you live with, they're gonna be so jealous. This is gonna be stolen from you immediately, so you probably wanna get 2. Next up, we have the Miamica Car Organizer. I was a sign flipper in my past life. For me, my house is always clean, but my car pretty much always looks like a disaster because I'm just running from point A to point B, and I desperately need some organization in my life, and this has really changed the game for me. You just pop it open and watch how easy this is. You basically just like play the accordion, and you have all of these compartments that you can put anything that you want in. For me, I'll have a little trash bag in here, and then over here is like water bottles, a safety kit so that you always know where your safety kit is. Great idea. So it has the 3 big compartments, but it also has these inner pockets, and then it also has Velcro so that it just goes compact very easily. And if you do only need, say, 2 compartments, you can also just keep it with just the 2. You can keep it in your trunk or put it behind the driver's seat or on your back seat. Really, wherever you wanna put it, this baby's gonna work for you. Yeah, if you got too much junk in your trunk, definitely this. All right, you guys, I cannot hide my excitement about this one. This is the Unhide 10x18 pillow in Beige Bear. It also comes in Silver Fox. If you're obsessed with the Lil Marsh blanket, which I know many of you were, drop a comment if you were, you have to get the pillow form. It is the perfect little companion to your Lil Marsh. It's just so cute and soft. This baby can go on your couch, or you could put it on your bed for your whole like pillow spread. I know personally, I have like 16 pillows on my bed. My boyfriend doesn't like it. It's not about what he wants, ladies. It's about what you want. It's 100% faux fur, so it's vegan, and we absolutely love that. I'm just curious to know if this is gonna be like the Unhide blankets where people have like 56 of them. Let me know in the comments. How many of these do you think you're gonna grab? Next, we have the Beau battery operated dual salt and pepper mill. I promise you, you are not going to be salty about picking this one. This is the most high quality salt and pepper mill I've ever used. And I mean, I'm not a very good cook, but this is amazing to add to your kitchen. Sits so nicely on your countertop. It's gonna get rid of all of that clutter from having your salt and pepper sitting all around. And this works like an absolute dream. I can definitely use this on my rainbow carrots recipe. I'm getting great at that one. It feels really sturdy and high quality. So all you're gonna do is you just open up this little container, and inside you're gonna put in any of your peppercorns and your salt, and then you're just going to close it back up. It closes nice and easily. You can set it on the bottom for either coarse or fine. You know, if you want it as fine as you are on a Saturday night going out, turn it to the right. It's So easy. I shouldn't be this excited about this, but like, are you like me where just the little things make you so happy? Also, this is a great gift for loved ones, an amazing hostess gift, anybody who likes to cook, or you can keep it for yourself. I guarantee once you get this, even if you're planning on giving it as a gift, you're probably gonna wanna keep it for yourself. And for our fashion lovers, we have the Coach Signature C stud earring set. Beautiful set of 2. You can seize the day in your little signature Cs. They're very small and subtle in this pretty silver color. They're great for stacking. We have received a lot of feedback that you guys want silver jewelry, some of you, and so we are bringing you these beautiful silver studs. One pair is silver plated brass with a beautiful crystal stone, and the other is a classic silver C stud. I think the C stud is great for your everyday when you want it a little bit more toned down, and then you can really amp up the volume and the shine with the crystal stud. You can wear these on their own if you only have one piercing, or if you want to mix and match and you have multiple piercings, then you can wear them both at once. And I just feel like it ties it all together. I like to mix them with like a couple of other styles of rhinestones, but you can really do whatever you want to make it your own. They're nice and comfortable, and I just love a stud. It's just easy to go with absolutely everything. You don't have to think about it. Plus they're Coach, like everybody loves Coach. I am excited to show you another home item. This is the Social Studies set of 3 nesting bowls in mauve or emerald green. First of all, let's just talk about these beautiful colors. These are amazing for the holidays, but what I love is that they're gonna work in your home throughout the entire year, and nobody's gonna be like, why do you still have your holiday decorations out? So beautiful. They're good for mixing, marinating, whisking, everything in between. They're made of soda lime glass. This is another amazing hostess gift. They're great for entertaining, for creating a beautiful holiday tablescape. I don't really know how to do that. I feel like if I had these, I could put them out and really look like I know what I'm doing, especially if you put like, you know, some bougie snacks in there, some little olive tapenade, some Marcona almonds. You guys loved the West Elm bowls, and these are like the beautiful holiday version of that. I'm pretty sure that my mom used this to cut my brother's hair as a kid. Did anybody else have the bowl cut? It looked great. If you are looking to get your greens on your face, we have the ELEMIS Superfood Facial Wash. This is packed with vitamin-rich superfoods for clean and glowing skin. ELEMIS is an incredible brand. I love this because it really looks like something that you would actually order at a juice bar, and it even like smells like a kale shot. Like this straight up smells like I just went and got a smoothie. It removes daily grime and it deeply cleanses the skin. It's gonna leave your skin feeling hydrated in those dry winter months. You can just tell, just looking at the ingredients in here, that this is good for your skin. It's a nice thick gel and it's pretty cooling. It's got avocado, broccoli, and kale. Good for your insides, good for your outside as well. So to use this, you're just gonna massage onto dry skin with your fingertips, and then you're gonna add warm water to create a lather and just cleanse the day away. For our beauty lovers out there, we have the NUDESTIX hanging makeup case. I love a traveling makeup case. I always keep my makeup in a case that can travel easily, and a hanging makeup case is a game changer. You don't want all of those things just like hanging out on your counter, taking up counter space. Hanging makeup case is going to save your life. I'm passionate about traveling makeup cases. Let me show you what is in mine. So here you'll see how easy this is. You could put all your brushes down here, but I choose to keep them up here. I mean, I use a lot of makeup. Some of you might not, but you can fill this with all of your toiletries if you are not a huge makeup wearer. So believe it or not, all of this fits in there and can be zipped up and taken to go. I mean, come on. All right, the vest is yet to come. This is the Socialite quilted vest. Okay, now hear me out. When I first saw this, I was like, I don't think I need it. And then I got it and I tried it on. And this is one of the most practical items that you can choose for your box, especially if you live in a cold area or if you are traveling to a cold area this season. And let me tell you why. So this is a quilted vest. It's not gonna be like your giant puffer, but the use for this is to go underneath your outerwear and keep you so toasty warm. I mean, listen, if it's as cold as your ex's heart outside, you need to layer. This can be styled so many different ways. If you're just going to a workout or a hike, this will keep you nice and warm, but you can also wear it underneath your like nicer coats. One of my favorite winter coats is actually too thin to wear once it gets too cold, but if I put this under it, it's gonna be thin enough where it's not gonna bulk me out, but it's going to keep me nice and warm because it's adding that one layer of insulation. Truly, I honestly never even really thought about doing this before, but this is absolutely going to be a lifesaver during cold winters. It is intended to be oversized, and I really, really love that because it's actually gonna go over your, it's gonna go over your butt. You guys know your butt gets like, once your butt's cold, like you're cold. And there's no coming back from that, and like you gotta go home. So you need something that's gonna, keep your butt warm. This quilted vest is going to come in small, medium, large, extra large, or plus. I'm gonna be wearing a small medium, and that's gonna give like a lot of room if you wanna layer underneath it or on top of it. And it has pockets so that you can keep your hands warm or, keep a pair of mittens in here, whatever you might need. Thank you guys for joining my sleepover and watching. For a full look at all of the items that you can choose this season, make sure that you customize your winter box, and that code I promised in the beginning is winter close-up. Let me know what you're picking in the comments below, and I will see you next season. Bye.